Okay, next example is tulo ka equation. 2x plus y equals negative 4. Negative 2y plus 4z is 0. Then third equation is 3x minus 2z equals negative 11. So this will be your first, second, and third. Augmented matrix niya is 2, 1, yeah, ang z niya 0 man, yeah, negative 4. Yeah, negative 2y plus 4z equals 4. So, since wala siya x, so understandable 0. Ang y is negative 2. Ang z is 4. Then, the constant is 0. Next, 3. Then, ang y niya wala man, so 0. Then, negative 2, negative 11. So, kani siya, base sa kaning augmented matrix, wala may 1 daan. Nganong mangita man tag 1. Asa man ta padung. So, dapat ang iyahang forma is 1, 0, 0, A, 0, 1, 0, B, 0, 0, 1, C. So, kabantay mo nga ang diagonal kay puro 1. This one. Yan, pag-solve ani is unahon ni siya, sunod kani, sunod kaning 0. Next, sa second column is mag-una gid sa 1 followed by it's either of the two. Pero mas mayong darita para naatay organization. Sunod kani. Then next is ang 1, then followed by this one, then this one. Okay. So balik ta dali. Since 2 man na siya, mo na to siyang 1. So, unsa may buhaton para may mo na siyang 1. So, sa may formula niya, that is row 1. Row 1 equals, row 1 equals 1 man na siya. So, multiply na to 1/2 times the row 1. So, itabuan ni 1/2 times 1, that is 1/2 times 2, that is 1. 1/2 times 1, that is 1/2. 1/2 times 0, that is 0. 1/2 times negative 4, that is negative 2. Then copy the remaining elements. So this is 0, negative 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, negative 2, negative 11. Next, sa sunod buhaton, 1 naman na, 0 naman eh, kanina sad. So, ang row 3, ang ato ang isolve. So, how would you get 0 for row 3? So, row 3 is opposite of 3, that is negative 3, times the row 1. Nganong row 1? Kay 1 mangguna siya. Daan. So, kung ato siya multiply, makancel out ang 3. So, row 1 plus row 3. Okay. So, negative 3 times the row 1 plus row 3, that is 0. Negative 3 times 1/2 plus 0, that is negative 3/2. Negative 3 times 0 plus negative 2, that is negative 2. Negative 3 times negative 2 plus negative 11, that is negative 5. Copy. 1, 1/2, 0, negative 2, 0, negative 2, 4, 0. Next. Manamantaan ni, na-solve naman ni, kanina sad. Kaya nga nung kani, this one, balik ta sa kaning augmented matrix sa Gauss-Jordan elimination. So, ang row 2, multiplyan ni mo og negative 1/2. Ano man, para may mo siyang 1. So, this one, so negative 1/2 times 0, that is 0. Negative 1/2 times negative 2, that is 1. Negative 1/2 times 4, that is negative 2. Negative 1/2 times 0, that is 0. Nya copy the row 1. Sige lang ito copy ani par dili ta mawa sa suway. So, negative 5. Next, manaman siya solve. Kanina siya 1/2. Again, balik ta sa kani. So, row 1. Kay row 1 man na nabilang ang 1/2. So, unsay may tabo, unsay buhaton nimo para may mo siyang 0. So, multiplyan nimo og its opposite. So, negative 1/2 times row 2. Ngano row 2? 1 man na siya. Plus row 1. So, balik ta dali. Row 1. Negative 1/2 times 0 plus R1, which is 1, is 1. Negative 1/2 times 1 is negative 1/2 plus 1/2, that is 0. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 plus 0 is 1. Negative 1/2 times 0 plus R1 or negative 2 is negative 2. Copy 1, negative 2, 0, 0, negative 3 over 2, negative 2, negative 5. Sunod, kanina sad. So, ang R3 na sad ato ang i-compute. So, R3. Opposite of negative 3/2 is 3/2 times R2. Okay, 1 man na diha. Plus R3 or row 3. So, solve. 3/2 times 0 plus 0 is 0. Negative 3/2, 3/2 times negative 3/2. 3/2 times 1 plus negative 3/2, that is 0. 3/2 times negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 5. 3/2 times 0 plus negative 5 is negative 5. So, copy 1, 0, 1, negative 2, 0, 1, negative 2, 0. So, sa isunod buhatan, the negative 5. So, sa ito sunod buhaton is the negative 5. Mo siyang 1. So row 3, manipulate row 3. So how would you make this into 1? So negative 1/5 times row 3. Para siyang 1. So negative 1/5 times 0, that is 0. Negative 1/5 times 0, that is 0. Negative 1/5 times 5, that is 1. Negative 1/5 times negative 5, that is also 1. Copy. Next. Naporma na siyang diagonal na puro 1. Sunod buhaton, fix this one. So, row 1 na sad ang i-manipulate. So, row 1, how would you make that 1 into 0? So, opposite. Negative 1 R1 plus row 3. Anong row 3? 1 naman na. Next. Since we will manipulate row 1, so negative 1 times 1 plus 0, that is, may mo siyang negative 1. Ay, kabalaka kung matandog na siya. Pwede raman na ito mabalik sa iyahang solution or makuha na to yung solution. Ito raman na multiply ng negative balik para may mo siyang positive. Next. Row 1. Negative 1 times 0 plus 0. That is 0. Negative 1 times 1 plus 1. That is 0. Negative 1 times negative 2 plus 1. That is 3. Copy. 0, 1, negative 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next. Manipulate this negative 2. Asa na belong ang negative 2? That is row 2. So, how would you make that 1 into 0? So, opposite of negative 2 is 2. So, 2 row 3. Kay 1 man eh. Plus row 2. So, 2 times 0 plus 0. That is 0. 2 times 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1 plus negative 2, that is 0. 2 times 1 plus 0 is 2 times 1 plus 0 is 2. So, copy, negative 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. Since na-achieve naman na to, I know, na negative 1. So, change that 1 into positive. So, ang row 1, lagi lang yung hilabtan. So, ang row 1, mahimo siyang, ari lang dahil sa ubos. 1, 0, 0, negative 3. Di man ta pwede mag negative 0 kay wa may negative 0. Next is 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1. Again, this is your x, this is your y, this is your z. So, x is negative 3, y is 2, z is 1. Therefore, the solution to the original linear, original system of linear equations is -3, 2, 1.